Alright guys, so I just kind of figure out a game on Roblox. You go search up this, and then just the normal Beast Swarm Simulator. Okay. This is like a sandbox thingy. Right, the game was called, this, I'm pretty sure. Do they have Robux costing VIP server? Yeah. So I'll just go to some empty server. Go to a really empty server. Alright, this is an empty server for all the noobs. So before I do anything, I really, like right now, I'm just sitting down trying to make this video, but I'm really hold on. I'm really kind of gonna go to the bathroom right now, so yeah, I'm gonna be right. Alright, I am back. There's no hive for me to claim. Oh. Gotta stand a little bit here. Obviously, first, level 17 Windy Bee real quick. Oh, I can just... Yeah. Windy Bee moment. Obviously, I'm gonna need some damage bees in those gifteds. So, I'm gonna get just like one more Windy Bee in that gifted. I don't know, 2 vicious bees. Level 17 vicious bees real quick. Yeah, okay. Let's just hatch a couple mythics. Sure. Yes. So many bees. Well, I'm gonna spam a couple mythics real quick. I need a spicy one. I need a spicy bee. Finding it. A gifted spicy bee. Every one of them turns into gifted for some reason. I only use a diamond egg. I know I have infinite of them. Diamond bee. Nice. Let me just get like 3 photon gifteds in here. It automatically makes them into gifted level 7s. It's like, it's not laggy, it's just like a little bit broken. to get another windy in there. Huh? This is honestly pretty cool. I'm just gonna pause until I have like pretty much a full hive. Yeah, be right back. Yeah, I forgot to unpause the recording. This is where I am now. If you want to see my hive, then there's my hive right there. The thing is, the bees don't actually collect pollen. It's just like an animation thingy. It's kind of cool. But here's the thing about that, though, is that we're probably working on it and we're probably gonna fix it soon. So, yeah, I guess go buy stuff here. I can't buy stuff here because I only have 1 Robux right now. Speaking of, buy my donation in my group. It's 50 Robux. I'm gonna make like a 25 Robux one soon. And bigger. Everything else is 200 Robux. But the best one is only 150. What does pink honey do? What does pink honey do? Oh, it isn't really anything. I have so much honey. Yeah, someone bought this honey spot. Does it just give like a random amount of honey or something? Now that I have all this honey, what is the point of this game? What is the point? There's no point of me. Oh, you see a honey hammer in first person and it takes like half of your screen. Yeah, by the way, if you're wondering why I have the honey dipper, I didn't like buy it. Okay, I'll just show you what happened. I can't like cut to it because I don't know how to like do cuts. Alright, so this is what this. Alright, so this is what I did. I accidentally walked in front of the on-net model and then took the honey dipper. Like, it doesn't do like anything. Like, if you hear me tap it, it doesn't do anything really because like it would do something, but it's just a model. I wonder what happens if I do an epic ant challenge. There was nothing in the ant challenge. Comp and exhibitors. Pretty sure it's taken models too. I'm not like hating on the people who made this. Like, it's very well made, and honestly, it's probably the new version of the peaceful simulator I've tried. It's just that like a lot of the features are broken in here. Maybe when like we fix a lot of like the broken features, like maybe I'll put all the people choosing the diamond mask because they're like friends or something that just came in here. This is like the new Beast World Simulator to these people. Guys, do you guys have any life? He has like 1,000,000 photon points. Is that better than the, I guess that's better than the windy bee in this, because like the photon bee in this actually has the photon B token, which like it's really the same thing pretty much as a normal token in there. So like, yeah, that was a really short time video, and no one would watch like just some random 5-minute video. So what do you guys ethically want me to play? I know this isn't a live stream, so you can't stay in like some chat or something. Message for you, friend checker. Yeah, a lot of people just like, or like sometimes just like, I'll get like a random unfriend. I don't know why. I like just woke up. Ew, I just heard like scratching in my house. I'm a puking emoji when my friend said, "Now I'm gonna go play Fortnite by." There used to be this game that I really liked. It was like a game that was kind of like a dungeon quest. Some of you remember it? Adventure Up. Yeah, this thing right here. Oh, sorry if you just saw that Mickey Mouse icon on the right side of the screen. But yeah, basically, this is like way better than any other dungeon game. You guys like need to go play this if you're gonna play like one of those games like Dungeon Quest. Like honestly, it's way better than like every single other one. You know, if I go on Discord and accidentally like ruin this video by seeing weird stuff, I don't want to do this. Okay, good thing I went on like a bot chat. Well, This dude certainly can't DM anything bad to me.
It's not even pink, it's raw! And Coop has delivered undercooked salmon.
Just had to get that into everyone's mind real quick. Sorry if I actually hurt anyone's ears. Oh, no. Okay, yeah, so he asked, wait, what does rain and cloud equal? And I was like, I don't know. When I went to search it up on Google, he told me to send him his my search result. Nope. Yeah, he searched up. Wait, look. You can see in his image. He searched up. What does rain and clouds equal? This is his search result. I'm just like, what? What? How is that a result? Oh yeah. Also, I kind of just like. Yeah, I also told him the non-picture version of the result. When you search it up on a browser, it becomes a raindrop of diameter 2 mm contains the water equivalent of a million cloud droplets, 0.02 mm diameter. So if we are to get some precipitation from a cloud, there must be additional process within the cloud to form raindrops and cloud droplets. Yeah, I was gonna give some of the Robux to you guys if you bought the donation, but then I kind of searched up on my browser, searching up, is it bannable to give yourself your own group funds? It said nothing about giving yourself group funds, but for some reason, it said it's bannable to randomly give group funds. So yeah. I love pausing it as moments like that. Like you really just smashing that thing. I'm bored and I don't know what to do. Engineering gaming. Yes. You want to unban? Well, if you do, the thing is, I don't know how to unban. How do I unban? No. Wait, what? I banned you from the server and I try and unban. How long did you ban me? I don't know how. No time option. I need to unban you. I don't know how. I think you just permabanned me. Let me check. Yeah, so I'm permabanned. How do I unban you? You can't? Hold on. Well, yeah, I can't unban you. Go to server settings, tap on ban, then unban. I don't want to open up that server right now because I don't want to open up my server because here's the thing is that I don't want to open up that server because I left it last in a channel that was kind of epic. It's not epic. I don't want to open it in front of like only like 20 people. I know it's only 20 people, but maybe it's just somehow like popular somehow. I just got like a random 20 something views on like 2 videos. Yeah. I'm gonna end this video now. Yeah, I'm gonna end the video. Bye, guys.